Here's the situation. You see, nothing there. This thing right here broke off. So I've got to go get a whole new situation here, and we're gonna put it on. So I've got to go to, I guess, Home Depot to get that. All right, let's do it. Every single project starts out with a trip to Home Depot. This guy can't get through. I just bought the Defiant Hall and Closet Olympic Collection, and it's a stainless steel finish. And the way you get into it is you've got to come up to the top here, and this is like an unboxing. I don't know if this is a box. This is more like a, oh shit. All right, there we go. So this is your one mechanism that you have to stick into the thing. It comes with some hardware that you're gonna need. It comes with this plate that goes on where the door contacts. And then you get your two sides. So basically you slip this through, that goes through here. I'll show you. This kind of goes like this. And then this goes on like this, basically. Bam. That's it right there. And then you just got to do these two screws and these two screws. And then if you're putting this on there, if you need to, you might not need to because you might already have one. You got to put two screws in that. And that's basically it. That's all there is to it, really. I mean, it's pretty simple, right? I mean, it's pretty simple, right? One side, this goes in first, and then this goes in next. And you can choose which side you want to put it on and where you want the screws. I'm going to put the screws on the inside of the house, so if somebody they can't get to me from the outside. I think that's the smartest way to do it. So anyway, this one here broke off. So first thing we're going to do, of course, is we're going to go ahead and unscrew that plate right there. This one here. Don't unscrew this one. This is the one you want to do. So we're just going to get in there. We got to put it in reverse, right? Make sure you get it in reverse. You might want to save the screws. Okay, so that's that. And then we're just going to set those down. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go ahead and unscrew these here. Right there. And you might want to keep them just in case. Get this one. Okay, so now that's done. And I'll show you here. If you look here, let me go ahead and just pull that screw out. So now look, watch. Just comes apart. So you want to have your screws on the inside, notice, because you don't want somebody like getting into your house. So let's go ahead and set those down. And then this right here is just going to come right out. Just pulls right out, bam, done. So we're just going to go in reverse of what we just did. We're going to go ahead and put this in first, right? And we want our screws, right? We want our screws to be on the inside of the house. So we're going to put this one here, and this one's going to go on this side. So let's just take a look and see how we do it. So if you look here, you're going to see it's a little area there that I got to kind of push that through. You see that? It's right there. And then these two are going to go here and there. Let me show you here. If you look here, you'll see it. So it's got to go through there and then here and here. So if I put it in there like that, kind of slides right through there. Bam, now I'm in, okay? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of pull the door back, and then I've gotta I'm gonna hold this. See, I'm holding it. I haven't screwed this in yet because I wanna get this done first. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come on here, gotta get that in there, and then smush it on. I'm just gonna leave it there for a second. We gotta get our two screws. I could have used the two from the other one because I think it's the exact same thing. They gave you an extra one. Let me see here. Oh, come on, out of there. So anyway, the two screws that you're gonna need are these. You're gonna need these two screws. All right, so let's put it on there. Let's just slip this one in and give it a little twist there. All right, now we gotta get our drill on it. We're just gonna tighten her down. I'm just gonna hold it, put her on there. Oops, going the wrong way. There we go. Okay, bam. Let's get this one in there. And this is the hard part right here. You gotta kind of go hold that down. Bam, that's it. Now we got to do is screw this part here. So let's get our 2 little screws, and we're going to go ahead and put those in. Bam. One more. Bam, we're in. Looks good. Now all we got to do is see if it shuts. So let's go ahead. See if it's working pretty good, right? And here it is. Bam. Opens and closes. Bam. And I don't really need to change that, but I could because it's kind of dirty looking. But I mean, why fix something that's not broken, right? It's working. So let's just go ahead and leave it on there. And bam, Bob's your uncle. We did it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff. Peace out.